This is the high protein iced coffee, chocolate iced coffee flavor. This has been my go-to for my protein shake concoction in the morning because this actually has 1,800 milligrams of Arabica coffee in here. When you get this, it arrives completely sealed, of course. There's a scoop inside of here. One serving of this is a heaping scoop. So it's one serving is one scoop, which I like. Just to give you an idea of the size of the bottle, some of these bottles are larger than others, some of these containers. Here it is right here over an 8x11 sheet of paper. And you can see it in size comparison to this 30-ounce PB Fit, which I like. So one scoop of this is 100 calories. You're looking at only 4 grams of carbs, 1 gram being sugar. So it's keto friendly. You got 18.5 grams of protein. I like that. We have a little bit of iron, a little bit of calcium, and a little bit of potassium in here. They say it's grass-fed protein, all natural, no artificial sweeteners, non-GMO, and gluten-free. I think the taste of this is fantastic, and it's been my go-to for my morning shake. I love it.